Stay sharp. Simple tips to improve your memory. Hey there! Are you looking to boost your memory and stay sharp? Let's dive into some easy tips to help you do just that. First up, prioritize getting enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night to give your brain the rest it needs to consolidate memories and function optimally. Next, challenge your brain with new activities and puzzles. Whether it's learning a new hobby, playing brain games, or doing crossword puzzles, stimulating your mind can help keep your memory sharp. Additionally, staying physically active can also benefit your brain health. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, which can enhance memory and cognitive function. Another key tip is to eat a balanced diet rich in brain-boosting nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins. Foods like fish, berries, nuts, and leafy greens are all great choices. Lastly, don't forget to manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact memory and cognitive function, so find healthy ways to cope, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time with loved ones. With these simple tips, you can give your memory a boost and keep your mind sharp for years to come.